Well, a very good morning on April 30th, Golden Week 2022 from Chuo Park, Kee-tah-kew-shoo, Japan, Central Park. And today they've got the water fully turned on, which makes this quite an interesting feature. It's not absolutely natural, and they have to turn the water on and off, or on I should say, for it to work. Anyway, let's go down and cross up over here. Hop! There we are. And now we just walk up steps. Thistle there. I love the sound of water in the morning. That seems to be from a movie, but I think that was smell, not sound. I love the smell of napalm in the morning. Okay. Yeah, look at this. It's rather nice. And there's the gymnasium up there. All very nice. Awfully nice. Beautifully designed. Rivulets of water making quite a loud noise as they cascade down. Wonderful. Oh, and there's even a pool here, I hadn't even noticed. The weary traveller could perhaps put his feet in this water and cool off in the summer. Oh, we've got quite busy today. Yeah. You see, the thing still goes on up there. It's really amazing. What a feature. I don't know what the sports event at the gymnasium is today, but there surely is one.
No, badminton this one.
Okay. Not getting an answer from there. Look at this feature. This goes on and on.